My people, today I close from work. I say today I want do Bole and Fish Festival for my house. Why not? Because for River State here, they always do Bole and Fish Festival. And I know they get chance. I never ever get chance to go to the festival. So today I say I must run out for my house. You know too much. You know too much past like this. Yes, nah. Before Uncle, why I no go do am? Ha! Not the way I know if you do with my chicken money. I don't talk say this year I go do anything where big man eats, I go eat them. Anything where big man eats, I go chop am. Anything where even 5-star hotel people cook, I go cook them, I go recreate them, I go cook them, and I go see enjoy them. So I don't buy this fish where we don't forget for Sabisa Forest. I can say I go use a fish, yo. So my brothers and sisters, and now bawala the thing for we to say some things and things, those things that are not supposed to be inside the belly of a fish. No be that thing where they come off for journal. No be that thing where they for fish, the fish will swallow journal. So I say make I prep the thing where I go use sengemenge this fish because I'm gonna enjoy myself. It's very easy to make money. So when you make the money, you remove small percent, to take care of yourself. You don't need to go to a 5-star hotel or 5-star restaurant to eat whatever you want to eat. You can eat it in your house and you'll be happy and grateful that you ate. Yes, so today I am begging you, remove money and eat whatever you want to eat. If you are scared that maybe you spend too much, just follow my page and I go to show. Just tell me that the way you say, it be like say the money go plenty, you know get that. Just tell me that kind of food. I go run out for you for this page. It go shock you. I dey tell you, it go shock you. Just see this fish. If she thinks I no go buy her for market today, I price that. Even that woman said when they sell the fish, she give up for her idea. She pour me spit. Say, I pour you spit, my sister. You sabi price. I say, madam, no problem. Pour me the spit, but give me the fish. She pour me spit, I collect fish. Sister, I no lose. Spit na spit. I come back as I bath, the spit come out. I chop her fish. The thing go give me nutrient for body. I mean, you no understand. I say I go chop this fish, collect doggy. Fish you go chop finish, they go give you doggy. You go enjoy her. You know get. See fish that. See I don't sengemenge everywhere. I don't put things in the right places. If this fish they come for, he go say he go want my belly. This one no say na fish swallow Jonah. This one go say make me I swallow am. The fish why I buy go say make I swallow am because he like the way why I take sengemenge in body. So I don't prep my tomato for the sauce that I will use, and it's my Bole. Look at it now. Oh, this girl sabi cook. She sabi cook. The video know what he is saying. She sabi cook. She sabi now the other thing. And see that fish and Bole. Oh my God. I know you feel like eating it. You feel like tasting it. I tell you, with chicken money, you can do this in your house and stop eating apple and gari every day. Apple is still gari is still apple. And thanks for watching.